in Glan Sarangani, that's what happened to their building.
橋が何本かかってるんですけど、結構いくつかの橋が崩落していて、
Guys here in Glan are affected because some of them are not yet passable, especially the inner barangays. So there are barangays that are still isolated, not full of water.
Basic needs lang sir, maski food and water na kayo ng tabang sa mga
Pagkaon, tambal,
or basig kuan sir kanang may mga extra tent lang
extra
sir.
tent. Oh, muna
Tent.
yung pala.
Kay daghan kayo nangatulog sa gawas na walay mga pasilungan sir ba?
They're having a hard time because it's raining. Inside of the tents is wet. Sleeping quarters for tonight. They need to stay dry. Saan na pagkaon? Dito sa isaw. Yeah, this one. You can.
It's a little thicker.
Yeah, this one's the little thicker.
Jewel and full top range. Yeah.
I'll be very happy, ma'am.
Malaki pong tulong po sa amin ito, especially yung mga bahay na damage